Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Today's topic is about the probate process and what small estate administration. But before we dive into today's topic, if you have any questions pertaining to estate planning or probate and want to schedule a free consultation with me, contact me at njestateattorney.com. You can send me an email directly at david@campanilelaw.com, or above or below there's a direct link right to my calendar. You can schedule a day and time that is perfect for you where we can discuss your estate planning and probate questions and needs. So today's topic: what is the probate process and small estate administration? So, as I've mentioned in previous videos, and I will continue to reiterate, is that New Jersey's probate process is relatively inexpensive. And that is for all estates. It does not matter about the size of the estate. The process is inexpensive. However, the state of New Jersey has basically created a way to expedite proceedings when estates do not exceed $50,000. And I bet you're trying to figure out, oh, how do I know if the estate exceeds $50,000? And that's a great question. But basically what's happening here is you would be tasked, if you feel the estate is valued at $50,000 or less, and you are a spouse, partner in a civil union, or a domestic partner, and you're entitled to these assets, there's a process that you would go through. And it's kind of like a short form affidavit, where you would name yourself, you'd name your heirs, you would name the potential heirs, and you would basically submit this to the surrogate court where the will has been probated, and you would also provide a list of all of the items and their values. And you would submit this to the court saying, hey, court, this estate doesn't exceed $50,000. Can, we move this along a little bit? And the perk of this is the first $10,000 is is free from all debts of the person who passed away. So that's you're going to get $10,000. If you had an estate of $50,000, so that means $40,000 could be attached to by creditors, or claims could be made on that $40,000. But basically, this affidavit, once it's filed and you've executed it properly, you would be named basically the administrator of the estate, and you would get the responsibilities of the estate. However, you kind of get to expedite the process. Because normally what happens here is we file probate, we notify creditors, we're trying to put the estate together, we don't get a value on the estate right away, you're kind of taking some steps out of it, and you're just kind of moving a lot faster than the normal probate process. Again, you can't I've said this in numerous videos before, but it's very difficult to put a time limit on the probate process. I've personally seen probate move as quick as 4 or 5 months, and I've seen it take years. So what happens is, after you filled out this affidavit, it gets filed in the court, and it's going to be recorded in the court. And then you would go on handling the estate. But of course, that first $10,000 is exempt from all debts and creditors. So there's also, in the state of New Jersey, when heirs or beneficiaries may be entitled to assets without administration, and at this point, the estate can't exceed $20,000, and this is also when there's no surviving spouse, or a partner in a civil union, or a domestic partner, and the heir or beneficiary is going to get consent of all the other potential heirs, or all the heirs, and they're basically going to be named the administrator of the estate of the estate. My apologies. And so that's really it. Small estate administration. Really, it's just an affidavit that you're filing with the court. Kind of similar to the extended probate process, but to the regular probate process, but it's expedited. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you know somebody who has estate planning or probate questions, maybe going through this topic, please share this video with them. Tell them you were thinking about them. If you have any questions pertaining to this topic or any other topic in estate planning or probate, please do not hesitate to contact me at njestateattorney.com to schedule your free consultation. I'd love to sit down and speak with you more about what's going on with you. You can send me an email directly at david@campanilelaw.com, or above or below is a direct link to my calendar where you could pick your day and time where we can discuss your estate planning and probate questions. As always, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate.